Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Telegram user ID. Your Telegram user ID is a unique number assigned to your account, and it's different from your username. So let's get started. First, open Telegram on your computer. Next, click the search bar at the top of the left sidebar. Type raw data bot and press enter. From the search results, select raw data bot. Open the chat with the bot. Now, click the Start button at the bottom of the chat. The bot will instantly send you information about your Telegram account. Scroll through the message until you find the field labeled ID. The number shown next to ID is your Telegram user ID. Keep in mind that this is different from your username, which begins with the @ symbol and can be changed at any time. You can also use Raw DataBot to view the IDs of users, groups, channels, and bots by following the options provided in the chat. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check your Telegram user ID. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tips, messaging tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.